Hello everyone, jitu aji exam hoi joa HSLC elective subject asil etu advanced mathematics or keitaman question ete ami answer keta ami share korim just mane yate jeno MCQ type nai MCQ type kom keta ase tar pisot je keta question ase just answer to ami yate di dim ei hisabot first jitu question ase ei first question to answer hobo option jitu 4 ase 81 hol amar first question to answer hoy. Next, 2 number question or jitu Roman 2 ase 0 is my answer. So C number jitu ase Roman 1 q equal to -5 and r equal to 2 hoy. Okay. So D number question Roman 2 hoy x square minus 6x plus 16 equal to 0. So E number question or answer hoy Roman 3 1.0791. Okay. Third episode F number question jitu answer hobo Roman 4 120 hobo. Okay. tar pichot G jitu ase G number question answer Roman 1 4 hoy. Okay. So H number question yate color di disu hetu hobo Roman 3 0 is my answer. I number question answer hobo minus half. Okay. J etia hise amar J number answer to hobo x plus y equal to 1. Okay. Eketa hol amar MCQ type or hoy. Etia 2 number jitu question ase etu kora nai baru. Etia 3 number question jitu answer hobo x a square plus b square whole square. Okay. Etu amar answer hobo. Next how ami 4 number alpha equal to 3 hobo calculation korar pisot. Tar pisot 5 number question answer hobo -21. 7 number jitu answer hobo 10080. Okay. 8 theta equal to 30 hobo. 9 hobo answer hobo x plus root 3 y equal to 8. Okay. Section C 10 number question to reflexive yes, symmetric no, transitive yes. Next ahibo amar 11 2 bracket cos 7 pi by 6 plus I sin 7 pi by 6. 12 number jitu answer hobo 3x square minus 19x plus 3 equal to 0. Etu amar answer. Okay. 13 number answer hobo 9 cm and 12 cm. 14 to dia nai 15 to answer hoy 58 aru 16 num jitu question ase n or value hobo 8 aru 17 number answer to hobo 12. Okay. 18 number answer final answer sin x equal to k minus 1 divided by k plus 1 into sin theta. Okay. tar pisot 19 jitu ase to proof koribo lage etu pisot etia tar pisot question sao 20 21 22 jitu ase answer hobo 4 root 5. 25 jitu ase answer 15 aru 14 etu a aru b ase a hobo 15 b hobo 14. tar pisot sam 26 or answer hobo 246. tar pisot 27 or hobo 79 96 113 130 aru 147. eketa asil tar pisor keta ami pisot discuss korim